Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. We're just putting out the videos. We're not joking here. This is a praises video. As always, you know what to do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. Let's try and go for 100 likes for this video, shall we? 100 likes. What do you think? You think 100 likes is too small? We're going to break down this groove into smaller parts so you can see how it works and you can learn it easily and effectively. It's going to be a cross stick pattern. If you don't know how to do a cross stick pattern, this is what it looks like. So you play the cross stick of the snare and the hi-hat at the same time, like this. But it should be at the same time. It shouldn't be something like this. So when you have that down, practice it for 26 hours a day. Yeah, okay. Then you move on to the next one. But before we move on, make sure to smash the like button. We're going for 100 likes of this video. This video is sponsored by the Drum Chops Builder app. It's an app that you can use to save your drum fills and drum ideas and practice later. So imagine you have an idea, you're out and about in town handling the business as you should, but the ideas are still coming, right? Ideas are still coming. Just take out your phone, open the app, boop, 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 save it, and when you get the drums, you practice later. That's the whole idea. It has a whole bunch of other features and cool things that make you a better drummer, to be honest. Check it out. The link is in the description down below. The Drum Chops Builder app is free to download. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so you done all that. You did all the hand fancy thingy-majig things on the snare and the hi-hat. Now you want to add the kick. So what do you do? So the entire groove looks like this. Okay, so let's play this with a click track and see what it sounds like. Thank you so much for all the support, the likes, the comments, the feedback I've been getting from you guys. You guys are you're amazing. You're the best audience on YouTube. You come and give me a hug. Random solo section coming up. Check it out. I'll see you in another video, God willing. Peace.